Hey, how's it going? I was going to give you a quick rundown of this 100-watt Renogy suitcase solar panel system that I got recently. It is not the Eclipse model, but it is still really efficient. All the cells, everything seems to work great. It's got your quick connects here, your MC4 connectors. You can take those off real easy, pull those apart. Comes with this about a 10-foot lead. Has your Renogy Voyager charge controller, which right now is showing that my battery is full. It's a 12 volt, 20 amp. It's got 13.6 volts in that battery right now. We're putting out 0 amps right now because of the smart controller. It's keeping it from putting out anything because it recognizes the battery is full. It had to add 1 amp hour into that battery this morning to make sure that it kept it full. And up here at the top, for this charging, this right here, this little bar going across the top will go back and forth like a load bar. And this light right here will light up and show you that it's charging. That shows you that it's actually active, and it does have power to charge right now if it needed to. It's got a pretty good little stand on it. I know I've heard some complaints on the other ones. So far, this one's been pretty well maintained. I think if they came in and added a telescopic end on one of these, I think that would make it a lot more efficient. These fold really easy. Just put it back in. Fold that up like that. You can sit there and fold it up, clamp it together, and go on. That'll all roll up. It comes with its own little bag that you can roll that up in, but I like to just roll that up. And there's enough gap in between here that you can place it in between the two panels and carry it that way. It's a really easy, quick setup. Me, with the setup I have, being able to chase the sun around a little bit easier with them makes it nice. Another little trick I learned on it was when you're aiming them, see how the shadow is directly behind it here on each side. If it's not in direct sun, where it needs to be aimed, your shadow is going to be off. So you just move it, find your shadow. See, like that, it's a little bit off still. You just follow your shadow. That keeps it aimed pretty efficient. There's an app you can download to get the correct angle. What I do though is just kind of slowly pick up on it, lower it to see where it has the best amp hours.